Hello guys, good evening. कल मैंने बताया था हम पढ़ाऊंगा रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन. व्हाट इज रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन, क्या होता है? कल मैंने एक एग्जांपल दिया था जब परसेंटेज का, तो उसमें मैंने रेशियो और प्रोपोर्शन के बारे में बताया था. व्हाट इज रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन. व्हाट इज रेशियो? What is ratio? Ratio is a comparison of two or more quantities. Ratio is the two or more quantity. कंपैरिजन मतलब दो बीच की, जैसे 3:2, 3:2. Ratio is a comparison between two or more quantity. Example, A is to B और A by B. रेशियो को ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं ना, इस तरह भी लिख सकते हैं, फ्रैक्शन बाय फ्रैक्शन. A is to B, A by B. Okay. और एग्जांपल देते हैं, जैसे A is to B 1. This is a ratio. Ratio indicates how many times one value contains. How many values? How many नहीं होगा, how much quantities हम इससे count करते हैं, much, sorry, how much values. Okay. A by B, B by D. Okay, these are all the example of ratio. So suppose example is there. Okay, 2 by 3 by 2, 3 by 2 equal to 10 by x. 10 by x. What is the value of x? So this gets like this, multiplies and this goes up. Okay, so 20 by 3 is the answer. So this is all in when we go higher, I'll tell you. So when I was just discussing on the ratio part, how can we ratio more? We can define the ratio in a, for class 6, 5, 7, and like that. Okay. So this is for the ratio general things over here. Okay, let me give some example. After that, I'll continue. Finding some example. Ratio and proportion. Okay. If A is to B is to C equals to, okay, okay. A B C equal to 2 is to 3 is to 4. Okay. Then define A by B. Two portion में रहता है A by A is to B and B is to C. Okay. So A B C. Okay. These are basic examples. Uh, A by B and B. So what is the A by B? A by B. A by B का answer already है. A is to B is 2 by. Sorry, we will not write in fraction. The answer should be in ratio. So 2 is to 3. B is to C. B is to C. Okay, we have to just pick the number. Okay, B is to B is what? 3. 3 is to 4. These are this is when we start learning fractions and all. So we'll get that and this type of answers, question and answers. Okay. Suppose this is in the number. Suppose I'll give you an example. If 8 is to 12, is it no? Don't write. I'll take one odd, one even. Okay. 8 is to 5. We don't have to divide. 8 is to 5 is to 6. So we need to divide this in as to A is to B is to C. These are the numbers. These are the numbers. We have to divide this into A into B into C. So what is A is to B? This is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay. So what will be the answer? The answer is very simple enough. Answer will be A is to B. A is to B, 8 is to 5. B is to C, B is to C, 5 is to 6. C is to A. Suppose you get an extra thing. C is to A, 6 is to 8. Now going forward, okay, what you learn, okay, 2, 3 is 6. This can be divided. Okay, these are some examples I'll be presenting in future classes and all. Okay, how you can go ahead. Somebody had asked me a question trading money years and all. I think these are all irrelevant questions there. People are asking. I don't. What is this money years and all? These are irrelevant questions. If some of the subscribers are having a problem, some queries and all, just ping me. I'll look into it and I'll try to give the answer. Okay. Now, some questions I'm giving. If if A is to B, if A is to B is 7 is to 9, 7 is to 9. If A equal to if A is to B is 7 is to 9 and B is to C is 5 is to 7. A is to B, A is to B, 7 is to 9, B is to 5 is to 7. Then what is A is to C? So this is a very simple. Okay. First, A is to B is what? A is to B is 7 by 9. 7 by 9. So A by B is 7 by 9. Okay, and then what is this? B by C is 5 is to 7. Okay, so what is our question? What is our ask? A is to C. A is to C. So A is to C. What is 7 by 9 into 5 by 7? 7 5 is a 7 5 is a 35. 7 5 is a 35. 7 9 is a 63. So A is to 3. A is to C is 35 is to 35 is to 63. So this can be in the answer. This can be in the we can divide it further, but it is not required. We can write it like this: 35 is to 63. If you want, you can divide it like 7 5 is the 35, 7 is the 46, 7 9 is the 63. 7 5 is the 35, 7 9 is the 63. So A is to C is 5 is to 9. You got the answer correct, I suppose. You got the answer correct. 5 is to 9. 5 is to 9. Okay. So this is these are all long long multiplications will be there, but this comes in mental maths for class 6, 7 like that. Whatever is in the class, these people will be teaching. Some more examples I'll just repeat, okay, how I did it so that you can be very clear what is the ask. Okay, if A is to B, 7 is to 9. If B is to C is 5 is to 7. Then what is A is to C? A is to B 7 by 9. 7 by 9. Okay. B is to C 5 by 7. So what is that? This gets multiplied. Okay. 7 by 9, 5 by 7. This got multiplied. 35 by 63. Now 35 by 63, it comes in 7 table. 7 5 is 35, 7 9 is 63. So answer is 7 is to 5, sorry, 5 is to 9. Okay. So more examples I'll give. Power is off. I'll put another one. Other battery is on. Okay, the other mic is on. I was not aware. Okay, so our next question is there. The ratio of two number is 3 is to 8. This I'm taking from a book. The ratio of two number is 3 is to 8. The ratio of two number is 3 is to 8. And the difference is difference. What is difference means minus. Difference in here is called minus. Addition, multiplication, and division. Okay. The difference is the difference is 315. Sorry, 115. The difference is 115. The smaller to two number. smaller to two number. These are all tricky questions. Okay, these all are tricky questions. How we need to solve it. Okay, so I have some answer. Okay, so it is 184. Answer A. Answer B is 194, and answer C is 69. Answer D is I'm sorry. Option D is 59. So now we have to solve this. Okay, we have to solve this question. The ratio of two number is 3 is to 8. Okay. 3 is to the difference is the difference the difference of the difference is 5115. The difference is 519. The smaller of two number is, so the difference is 115. The smaller of two number is okay. Difference of 5. Let's see. This is A by B. Okay, this is A by B. 3 is to 8. And what is that? 115. Is that okay? So if we divide 23 into 5, so 23 into 5, so 3 to 3 is a 9, 3 is a 9, 3 5 is a 50. 2 3 is a 9, 3 3 3 5 is a 15. The answer should be okay. So difference of 3 and 8. Difference of 3 and 8 is difference of difference of 3 and 8 is 5. Okay. Difference of 3 and 8 is 5. So 1 is equal. Okay. So I was wrongly dividing. Okay. So if you divide 115 by 5, 5 2 is a 10, 5 3 is a 5 3 is a 15. Okay. 5 3 is a 15. So the difference is 15. The smaller of two number. The smaller of two number. Then okay. Now A is to B is 3 by 8. Okay. 3 into 23. 3 3 is a 9. 3 2 is a 6. 3 2 is a 9. 3 2 is a 6. The difference is the smaller of two number. The difference. So we got the answer. So the difference of 115. The smaller to the two number. 3 3 is a 9. So what is it? This is the answer. I'll give the formula, and this can't be a formula. These are all basic. Okay. Difference. First of all, we have to do the minus. Difference means we have to take out the what is that between 3 and 8. What is the difference? 5. And what is the number which we have to divide? It is 115. So if 115 divided by 5 is 23, and 23 into 3 is 69. 669 is the answer. I'll just prepare a long no videos and all. Okay. So tomorrow, if you can see, okay, you'll be getting video on percentage long videos and all. Okay. I'll be preparing short videos and all. And the next upcoming weeks, you can see ratio and proportion. Lot of shorts videos I'll be floating, and in a short and one long videos in the form of ratio and proportion. Okay. Anything else? If you want, I can give let me some turn some pages on all ratio and proportion examples. Okay. Ratio and proportion question. Okay. So the first question. I need to be prepared for this. Ratio. Okay. Some basic example I'll give, but because these are some minor books of pages which I have got it. I need to bring the long books of CBSE or ISS and need to articulate it as by chapter wise. Okay, let me see if something I'm getting. Some question are there. Two numbers are in the ratio 7 is this is my last question. After that, I think it is 20 minutes over, and then we will leave out. Okay. So I think it is near about 20 minutes. We can leave it out. I'll just come up with tomorrow with some long things and all. And my classes will be there around 12, 6, 6, 7, 8. Anytime whenever I'm free, I'll come. Like if you have liked my classes, the way of communication I'm doing, or some improvement is required, just let me know. I'll try to improvise it. And please do like and subscribe my channel. I'm not coming and preparing it through artificial intelligence to a lot of things we can put and upgrade it. This is all manual things. What I've learned, I'm discussing in the live classes and I'm bringing it to my subscribers. Thank you. Have a nice day. We'll connect tomorrow.